we're heading straight down the stairs, and there's that new Amtrak train. So they're building new trains every year. Yeah, they're building new trains every year. Ah, that is really loud. There's a car! There's a car. A car. That's not a car. That Ford Taurus is a car. See that new Amtrak train? That's the new one. And now those two cars, those are observation cars. Oh, we're on the wrong side. Hi there, Mommy.
How was it?
Good. I think you got on the wrong side. Finally got in the car.
Can you get it, Luck? Good job.
So what was that? Hold on, guys. Just stay where you are. I'm gonna go buckle up.
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Mommy. Yeah. We see a new Amtrak train.
You saw a new one?
Yes.
Really?
It's over there.
How cool.
Yeah, and see those two observations.
156.
Yep, there's an observation car right there.
Yeah, there's an observation car. There's some cars.
I'm already out here, honey. What do you want me to do?
Here we go. See that new Amtrak train?
Yeah, very cool.
Hey, Mommy.
Where is it?
See
Over
that new
there.
design of Amtrak train? Yeah, that is cool.
That is very cool.
They keep on building new trains every year.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a Camaro. There's a Camaro.
Ooh, how cool.
See that white car? That's a white Camaro. Did you see that from that flash of car? From the light of a car? That was a white Camaro. See? Look. That's a white Camaro.
So Riley, what happens when you run out of room to film?
You have to delete it or something.
Yes, but do you delete it or do I delete it?
I think you deleted it or something. Oh, there's a train.
Hello there, folks. To save hundreds of dollars, that's the Geico. Happier than to came in with tempo blocker shot. Get happy with Geico.
We bring our Sprite.
Yeah, can I have a sip?
Hey, guys.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing.
Angry Birds Go.
Thank you, Logan.
You're welcome.
Oh, he's watching Disney Collector. Here's a fire truck, guys.
The fire.
Woo, what a
The fire
ride.
truck is not making sound.
Yeah. Woo, what a ride, guys.
It was a good ride.